Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time. Ain't nobody got time. Ain't nobody got time for that.
Hi, this is Bill Rye, the Science Guy, and I'm sharing how to record a test and post it to the internet. This is a solution I use for reading tests to my students, and I find it's very helpful, and it works for all students. So I use my phone in order to do this process because it has voice memos on it. So I unlock my phone, twos all the way, very complicated password, and then I go to my apps. But right here I have voice memos. I click on voice memos and it opens up. This is the main screen for voice memos and recording. So right here we have three buttons. We have done, the classic red for record, it's a universal symbol, and play. Some of the other files I've done before, but here's how it goes. I click record, and then the test begins recording what I say. You can see the voice bars go up and down as I say something or do something. I can pause it at any point in order to, if there's a disruption and I need a break, I need a drink, I'm about to cough, I can pause it and restart it and continue the test where I was. If I wanted to do it at different times and so on, I could. Also, I could pause it. And let's say I messed up a question, I could go back in the recording to where I was and record over what I just did and continue on correctly if there was a mistake or something. That's the first stage in recording a test. So open voice memos. Also, you could download other apps on the iPad that do the same thing. So the second stage in this process is saving your recording file and having the ability to use it in different mediums. So I finished recording my test. I'm all done. I wrap it up. I stop and I hit done. Then it gives me the option to save. So I save as cells test 4 save. It saves the cells test, and it saves it as an MP4 file. In order to transfer it to different devices, here's some I did in the past: cells test 2, cells benchmark. I click on it. I could throw it away if it's a waste. I could edit it, go back and change the file, or this arrow, and I could do different things. I could send it via iPad through iMessage. That's the first one. I could send it through email. I could upload it to my Google Drive. I could post it right to Edmodo. But for this option, I'm going to email it. I click there. It comes up as an MP4 file, which is able to use on any device, cell phones, computers, tablets, anything. I type in my email it to myself. And with this, I always email it to myself so I have a copy of the file on my computer, and I always upload it to Google Drive. So I'm logged in as not my school email, but the one I use, and I hit upload. Because it's a short file, it uploads very quickly. If it was a 10-minute test, a 12-minute test, it's going to take a few minutes to upload the file and get set on Google Drive. All right. Stage 2 right there, how to convert the file or how to transfer the file. Finally, the third step in this process is uploading the file onto my webpage. So for this, I use edmodo.com, but I would go to my Google Drive where I uploaded it, log in, and then I search cells. Then I see the MP4 right there, the MP4 file. And if I wanted to play it, I go there. But what I want to do is share. And what this gets me is a shareable link. Copy this link, go to my Edmodo page, Science Core 1, copy and paste the link, comes up Sells Benchmark Test, boom. I also downloaded the file. So for this, I have it right here as well.
Welcome to the 7th grade Life Science Cells Benchmark.
And for this, I could take this file that I downloaded and attach the file. So it's from Downloads, Cells Benchmark, put it up, and now a copy of the benchmark is on there, and I could post it. And then it is downloaded to my class page. And the students could use it, look at it, and if they needed to listen to the test while they were taking it, they could easily use that as a resource. So we go here, and it is posted under my Core 3 class right there. They can click on it, and then it's free to start and stop as the students like or as the students need. So, Matt, what do you think about listening to the test on the headphones?
I like it because you can go at your own speed and you're able to stop it when you want to.
I'm always asking to repeat questions, so now I can go back and look at it myself.
I like listening to the test on the headphones.
I really like listening to the test because it helps me focus more so I can get the right answers.
Malik, what do you think about listening to the test on headphones? What's your favorite part?
Well, you kind of gave us hints, and it was just, you can look at your own speed and stuff, and you can pause it, like you said.
Also helps for you to control your own pace and how fast or slow you like to go.
Do you like when teachers read tests out loud to the whole class, or did you like it when you listen to the test on the headphones yourself?
I think on the headphones.
I like the headphones because like you can stop when you want to, and like the teacher just goes like right through.